Alright people, welcome back with my channel. My channel is Esperanto el Aceh. Alright, this morning I'm gonna do hiding to we call about Aceh Island, or Nasi Island or Pulau Island. This day I myself and my friend here gonna be visit us, visit like the best beautiful view world nowadays. We call about Pulau Aceh nowadays. Not only by that, but also I myself gonna promote private content in United States or United Kingdom or Australia or Europe, for invite a lot of tourists together here. This is the most amazing today because I myself as tourist guide I focus for promoting my island exactly, or my country exactly, or my province exactly, because the most important thing nowadays, this is very totally awesome. I myself and my friend Esperanto, this is the best city world right nowadays. One of these guys is very totally awesome. And then this guy is bright. We call it Bergum because the Bergum is Nasi Island now or Aceh Island now. This is bright. His name is Mortada. He is the best city world, including the best city world nowadays. Today we are here. Me, myself, and my friend is here. Gonna deliver here with a fishing boat here because we don't have the big boat here, but how we're getting there, we have to hiding with fishing boat, because a lot of visitors sitting there cannot bring in the airplane or cruise or big boat, big ship here and there. Alright, thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, because Murtada and my friend here, this is the best city world right nowadays, visiting Aceh. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. In using Aceh Esperanto Aceh, focus for watching Aceh Pakistan, United States, United Kingdom, Europe, Australia, and Asia. Thank you for watching my channel. Assalamualaikum.